Hey everyone, today we're going to be building the LEGO Dream Set 71483, the Never Witch's Nightmare Creatures. This 2024 set comes with 457 pieces and 5 minifigures. You get the hero Mateo and the 4 villains, the Never Witch, Mad Teo, Doey, and Dogan. I'm not sure if that's how you say their names or not, but that's what I'm going to go with. This set lets you build 3 different creatures: the Raven, the Wolf, or the Doom Blob evil robot. And so I'll be doing a full review and speed build in this video, so be sure to stick around and see if this set is worth adding to your collection. Let's get building. So at this point in the build, you have 3 options. You can build the Raven, the Doom Blob robot, or the Wolf. So I'll start off with the Raven, do my review for that, move on to the Doom Blob evil robot, do the review, and then build this and do the review of that, and then come back and do a final review of everything. Here we have the completed Raven build. I love the colors on this, the black and purples and kind of pink. Just so striking, really good. But one of my biggest concerns with the build is it's really fragile. Like the center section here that you used from the little pot kettle thing comes apart so easy that if you were to play with this, I think it would really just fall apart every time you tried to play. The connection's not great. It's just a little circular 2x2 round plate, and it doesn't hold very well. The wings all move. This is kind of a cool little spot, I think. Like you could put somebody there maybe, or somebody can ride right here. At least in the artwork, that's kind of where they have the evil Zoe character, Doey. But the wings move, the legs move, so you can kind of pose this however you want. The eyepiece is really cool. I think, like, overall, I like it, just not for playing, really. But the wings were pretty easy to put together. Overall, it was really easy to put together, too. But, yeah, probably not my favorite of the three, I think. But next, we're going to have the Doom Blob Evil Robot. So stay tuned. Here we have the Doom Blob Evil Robot and the smaller Grim Wolf build that accompanies it. This is build 2 out of the 3. First, we'll talk about the Grim Wolf build. As far as looks goes, it looks good. The playability on it is terrible. The legs don't move. The hips are super stiff. So all that really moves are the tail and the head. And the sculpting on the head is great in my opinion. But other than that, it's just kind of whatever. Now, the star of this second build is obviously the Doom Blob robot, which is fantastic. I think it's a step up from the Raven build. You can kind of see some of the details here. Arms move, legs move, feet move. Oop. Pulled his head off, which that's going to be my one concern is the head's just got that one stud attachment. So it comes off pretty easy, but it spins, so you can kind of play with it a little bit that way. But the details on this are just fantastic. The playability is just one of the best that I've seen when it comes to the Dream sets. So that's exciting. The sword is fantastic. His little claw fingers, kind of the oversized hands, are really cool. I haven't seen the Doom Blob in the show or anything like that, so I don't know like if it's accurate or not. But like the wings are some of my favorite parts of this build, as well as like what I've said before, the colors, the palette of the Dream set is just fantastic. So it'll be hard to see if the bigger Grim Wolf build surpasses this, or if this is going to be my favorite. So stay tuned for the Grim Wolf next. Here we have the third and final build, the Grim Wolf build. It's pretty good. I feel like it's probably my least favorite out of the three. While the playability is pretty good, the legs kind of seem wonky to me, the back legs especially. It's kind of hard to see, but they kind of have a weird angle to them. It'd be better, in my opinion, if they were more flush. But other than that, it's got pretty good detail. The tail is kind of crazy big. But overall, like, the face sculpting is really good. Like, it's definitely a wolf. And along with the other two, like, the theme is there. The colors, the detail, like, it's a good build. It's just like I said, probably my least favorite out of the three. Overall, I definitely think that you should pick up this set, 71483, the Never Witches Nightmare Creatures. It's a fun set. It's got great characters. And I'll kind of go through each one of those here real fast. I'll start with Mateo. I really like this version of him with the life vest type thing, sweater, whatever you want to call that thing, life preserver. But the detail on him is really good. His legs, I feel like, are excellent, and the Z-Blob sword is definitely a hit with my kids. They love that thing. But I just like the detail, like, it's very on brand for the show. And then next we'll do the Never Witch. When I first saw this piece, I didn't realize the legs go in this thing. I thought it was gonna attach like to her waist, but her legs just kind of sit in there, and it's really loose. Like, she doesn't stay in there very good. Her staff is really cool though. I love the memory. I'm assuming that's what that's supposed to be from the show. But her printing on her body, I don't know if you can see that very well, is really cool. I mean, like, in this piece down here that she stands on, like the smoke magic stuff, is really cool. But I just wish it was made such that, like, her waist kind of set in it. I think that would be a little bit better and a little bit more stable. Next, we'll do Mad Teo. Oops. And again, like, super great detail. Definitely complements Mateo very well in detail. Just a fun fig for sure. Next, we'll do Evil Logan. I think it's Dogan is what they call him. And the purple is very striking too. His blue, when he's in the dream world, he can turn blue, And so like this kind of the pinkish purple really contrasts with that and is really cool. And just like the armor shoulder piece here is really cool. And again, like he's got printing all over him that is just full of detail on the front, back, just really cool. And I'm probably saying cool way too much. But here's Zoe, the evil version of Zoe. Love the printing on her with the black and purple and gray, just contrasting with the white arms. Hair piece is on point. And again, printing on the back and a nice armor shoulder piece for her as well. And then we have like this part of the build, which is really cool. I like it. It's got the memories attached to the tree there, and then the nice green flames to go with the witch's kettle. I really like kind of how they did that with like the green flames around it. It's just a really fun build overall, and I definitely think that if you have the chance to pick it up, there's just so much fun stuff with this build. And like I said, like I prefer the Doom Blob Evil Robot the best, but let me know in the comments which version you think you like best. Be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video, which will be probably a Star Wars set. So be on the lookout for that. Thanks for watching.